Hey everyone, this is Naren and welcome back to a new session of English with me. This is the 15th episode of our series From Zero to Hero. Today we are going to talk about something very important. Many of you comment down below my videos asking if I'm able to have a conversation with them. Like they need an English learning partner, someone to speak English with to improve their English. And from your comments, I understood one thing, that you all are waiting for one person to practice English with. Actually, you can practice English alone at home. You don't need any English learning partners to practice English or to learn English, to have a conversation with. Today, I will share some proven methods that can help you practice your English and improve faster. It's not only possible but also effective if done the right way. So before looking at the methods, I want you all to understand one thing. If you want to improve your English, if you want to learn English, if you want to speak English fluently, if you want to speak English like a native, we have a lot of goals. Like I want to be like that, I want to be like him, I want to be like her, I want to speak English very fluently. You all have a lot of goals. So to achieve that, you should be consistent. You should keep one thing in mind. If you practice English today, you can speak English tomorrow easily. So practice is very important in your English learning journey. You should be consistent. Keep a particular time to practice your English, like in the morning from 7 o'clock or 10 o'clock or in the evening. Whenever you are free, whenever you feel comfortable, keep a particular time to learn English. Even if it is 15 to 30 minutes, that is enough. But you need to practice English regularly on that particular time. Set aside a particular time to practice English. Also try to break down your time and do something specific in each minute. Like for 10 minutes you can do listening, for 10 minutes you can do reading, writing. Like that, divide your time and learn English. Now let's look at some methods that can help you learn English without any partners. I'm not repeating the ones I said earlier, like practice in front of a mirror. You can stand in front of a mirror, choose a topic and speak about that topic for 5 to 10 minutes according to your convenience. Today I'm going to talk about something very different. The first one is create your own speaking AI. We are now in a situation where we are always dependent on our mobile phones to learn English, to talk to someone, to message someone, to get information. We use our mobile phones a lot of time, right? So why not use this mobile phone and learn English? Yes, you can use the help of voice assistants like Siri, Google Assistant or ChatGPT to start a conversation and to learn English. Just open the app and ask your voice assistant something in English. Ask any question in English. Like you can ask them, what is the weather like today? And let the AI answer your question. After that, you can continue the conversation. You can move on with your conversation. You can start asking simple questions like what is happening around the world, like what is the current news. Or you can practice more advanced conversations like what are some good books to improve English. You can talk to the AI about your English learning. You can say, I'm learning English, please correct my sentence, please correct if I make any mistakes when I'm talking to you, when I'm having a conversation with you. You can ask the AI to correct you and to help you have a conversation to learn English. It feels like you're talking to someone, but it is 100% self-paced and pressure-free. You are not under any pressure. You might not be comfortable with some of your learning partners. They might make fun of you like, hey, why did you use that? Are you insane? See, such a simple sentence can reduce our confidence. So it is better to practice with any AI, or if you have a very good friend, very good learning partners, it is the best. You can do that, you can continue that. But if you don't have any partners or you're not comfortable with any of your partners, you can try this technique. You can take the help of any AI. The second method is learning with role playing. Pretend you are someone else. Pretend you are someone you always see, like a shopkeeper, a movie star, or a tourist. Play a different character in real life scenario. Act out conversation that might happen in those roles. Like pretend you are a tourist ordering a food at a restaurant. You can say, "Excuse me, can I have the menu please? I would like to order the pasta." You can pretend to be someone else and have a conversation. This is one of the best technique to improve your English, to speak English fluently. Now you might be in doubt, like who knows if you are making any mistakes? Just try recording yourself. Record what you are saying and you can listen to it, or you can watch this recording and see the area of improvement. You can see wherever you have made mistakes and you can correct those mistakes. And one important advantage of this technique is that when you're correcting your mistakes then and there after listening to it, those corrections, like the mistake that you found, you won't repeat that mistake again. You will remember it. You will remember it for a very long time. You won't repeat that mistake again when you're having a conversation. So always try to record yourself when you are acting out any role. The next method is develop storytelling challenges. This is not a normal storytelling. What you should do is take out a notebook and write 10 random words. Pick out any 10 random words. You can say like sky, car, book, people, talk, water, ground, anything, any random. Write 10 random words and then you need to make a story out of those random words. Just try to create a short story out of these 10 random words. You can keep a timer too. In 3 minutes you should create a story, or in 5 minutes you should create a story. You can keep a timer and you can push yourself to make a story out of those 10 random words. This can help you a lot. It can help you improve your speaking, your grammar and your vocabulary. And also you can speak under pressure. Here you're keeping a particular time, like in 3 minutes you need to make a story. So you are giving yourself a pressure. It's not a very stressful situation. This is actually a positive kind of pressure. This can help you speak in any situation, under any pressure. Whenever you go outside and you saw a stranger, he asked you something, you want to talk to him, this can help you in those situations. Or when you're talking to your boss, something very important, you have some clients from different parts of the world and you need to have a very good English to talk to them. You're under pressure there, right? You need very good English to speak in such a situation. This technique can help you there. You don't need any partners. You can practice English without anyone by just choosing 10 random words. Oh, I forgot something. You should write it down. Try to write that story down and try to read it out loud. Or just say a story out loud. And if you want, you can write it down and you can read it out loud. But don't forget to practice it aloud. The next one is a very pleasant, very interesting method. Music translation challenge. Just pick a favorite song from your native language and translate it into English. But keep in your mind that you should not change the concept or the idea of that song. The meaning of that song should be the same even after your translation. You shouldn't convert a happy song into a sad one or a sad song into a happy one. Translate the lyrics into English, but keeping in mind that the meaning should be the same. You can sing or you can even say the lyrics aloud. Try to say it loudly. This combines your creativity, pronunciation, and also your listening. You are practicing various elements together. Plus, it makes your learning more enjoyable and emotional by connecting with music. See, you don't need any partners to learn English. These few methods prove that you can improve on your own without any partners, just with consistency and a bit of imagination. Pick one or two of these strategies and start today. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you will become. So guys, this is all for today. I hope this video was very useful for all of you who are trying to practice English alone without any partners. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.